Alright, good morning guys. We just dropped off our luggage at the front desk because we are doing a luggage transfer that you can book through Klook. It was like $16 for one of those huge check-in luggages. And so they'll be picking up between 9 and 4. And we'll get our luggage between 8 and something. 8 and something.
Which is going to be rough because we usually go to bed around 9.
But, we stopped by Lawson, grabbed a few things. She got this cool little coffee hack thing that she did here. It's pretty yummy.
But basically, ice cream and coffee. That's my creamer, and it's so yummy.
So, a ton of sugar in the morning. I also got this red chicken. Pretty cool.
The little pick to go.
Yeah, they got a little toothpick to pick up your chicken. And then we got another egg sando, of course. And then we got pizza bun and a regular meat bun. And I apologize for my horrible Japanese that I still do not know yet. The guy was like, "Can you speak in Japanese, please?" I was like, bow. Number ichi and ni.
And he goes,
He's like, okay. I was like, oh, okay.
I was like, I'm glad he knew what he was asking because the whole time I was like, huh?
But okay, let's try it. Let's try chicken first.
Chicky. I was like, I want the stick.
No, that sounds like. Okay. Poke. This is the spicy chicky. Whoa, that real chicken in there?
We're always so shocked when there's real chicken.
I'm gonna buy it in half, just to be sure. That's real chicken in there.
That's that good quality.
I'm over here expecting it to be a chicken nug from like McDonald's.
You know me, I like to put the chicky in my egg sandies.
Oh yeah, chicky in the egg sandies.
So very bad at opening these. Smell that egg.
Egg sandal for you guys. Take a bite.
You know why it goes so well together?
What?
Because these were once these.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Am I wrong?
All right, my turn. Creamy. I think you're right. I think Family Mart has the best egg sando.
I'm not gonna, like I said though, I'm not gonna knock 7-Eleven until we try a different one because we've only done one 7-Eleven right now. And it was kind of like a smaller one and we have seen better. And so I'm not giving them my full honest review yet, or I guess my full rating until I try one more from 7-Eleven.
In a different area.
Yeah. We are going to Shinjuku later today, so we will try it there.
Just one more. So today's agenda is after we check out, we are going to go to Hiei Shrine, which is near Shibuya-ish, sort of. Kind of on the outskirts of Roppongi. And we're going to go there, check out the stairs. These aren't the official, big, long stairs. These are like a smaller version of it. And I think a more low-key, And then we're going to go check out this, Harry Potter train station staircase thing. And then we'll check out Shinjuku after that.
This is the ice cream I used in my coffee. It's got such good creamy flavor. And they're like at every convenience store. So if you're here, definitely try it out. It's good. I bet in the summer that's real refreshing.
Mm-hmm. I'll eat half of this.
Eat the whole. I don't want any more.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I only one little bite.
I don't want it.
I didn't think you'd use me. Okay. Buns. Pizza. Pizza bun. Okay, here's the pork bun. The meat bun, actually, is what it says. So much flavor to it already.
Just like the one from yesterday. So, I have a feeling they use the same company for the buns.
I agree.
Good, don't get me wrong, they're very good. But it just tastes the same. So I think it's the same company. So we can't really be like, this place is better. Because it's the same.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to.
No thanks, it doesn't look very appetizing. Would you like a bite?
I will say, the first place we got buns at looked a more filling.
Yes. Maybe
At least-
they
at
are.
least for
Maybe
your
they are
pizza.
different places. And this one's a lot more doughy. Not doughy, but like more bread. Where the other one was very filling.
It tastes the same though, huh?
Flavor wise, tastes the same.
Also, where we are staying at today and the next 2 days is the Godzilla Hotel.
Turn around, baby. Show them your shirt.
Check this shit out, boys.
Here. And now kind of turn this way. Yeah. Well, there we go. Look at that, boys. He was like, should I wear the shirt because of the hotel we're going to? And I was like, absolutely. Turn around. Stop giving them a free show.
Do you like that? Do you like that?
That's something you need to go to OnlyFans for. Just kidding. We don't have that. We don't.
So, last night we were totally panicking for our luggage sake because
We bought too much stuff. Well, he bought too much stuff.
we both got excited and bought a crap ton of stuff. And
My stuff's all small.
still, regardless, we bought a lot of stuff.
He bought a lot of bulky
I just
stuff.
bought a lot of big
That's-
stuff.
That's where we had the trouble, is because his stuff that he bought was the bulkier stuff, so we had to like Tetris our suitcase.
But anyways, we were panicking because before we left yesterday morning, I asked them if they had a delivery service for our luggage, and they do. But you have to drop it off by 2 p.m. And we knew we were going to be
Gone.
out and gone and won't be back in time.
We didn't even leave Odaiba till
Like 2.
2:30.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, we were scrambling to think, and I was like, oh yeah, Klook has a delivery service. So, but that's not like the other thing we were scrambling about was we didn't know how many luggage to buy yet because we thought that just the one big giant one would fit everything, and it did for the most part.
I genuinely just forgot how big the kids were. So I was
too.
like, and I didn't realize we'd bought as much clothes as we did. We got a little excited.
Yeah. So we only got one, which, and so, but the Klook thing, I booked it early in the morning.
Before we bought our luggage.
Before we bought our luggage. And it asks you how much you're going to deliver. And I just put one, thinking, okay, we can fit everything. We should have put two. And I should have put two. And then we should have grabbed 2 suitcases. But
yeah, we didn't think we genuinely thought when we bought the suitcase, everything was going to fit perfectly.
Right. And it's just one of those things like, you truly can't plan for everything here in Japan. You get so excited and buying stuff. So if there's one tip so far to give you guys, just kind of reassess, calm yourselves, be like, can I buy this later? Do I need it now? Do I need it late? Like I can get it later or whatever.
Because clothing wise, a lot of what we bought, we 100% can get later.
Yeah.
Like, because we got from stores that are, they're everywhere. So we were like, we probably could have waited. We didn't need that right now. He was like, we had enough stuff that we only needed to buy like one more outfit. And I was like, yeah. Right.
Instead of buying like 3 extra, I was like, ooh. But also, this is only in the situation if we're switching hotels. Obviously, if you're staying in one hotel, that's central, and you do everything else after that.
But if you're like hotel hopping, kind of like what we're doing, definitely be more mindful of what you're buying and the amount of space that you have in your suitcases and everything like that.
But with that, let's start and go out and go to the shrine.
Yeah, let's go! Woo!